Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create particle dissolve text intro on InShot application. Okay, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and first of all, let's just create a text video. So we can tap on the video, tap on new, and we're going to import the blank clip. It's over here. Tap on the blank clip, then you're going to tap on this check mark button. Okay, and we can extend the clip. So I'm going to make it longer, like this. Okay, then we're going to add text to this clip. We can tap on the text, then tap on the text again, and I'm just going to enter InShot intro. Then we can zoom in or zoom out. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Then you can click on this check mark button after you are done. Alright, and we're gonna make this text align with the video. Okay, then let's just save this text video. Click on save, and I'm going to select this resolution, then tap on save and wait for a moment. You have to wait until this video has been saved to your device. Okay, and now it's done. Then we're going to create another project on this InShot application. Tap on the video, tap on new, then you're going to import video from InShot. You can click on material, then click on atmosphere, then select this one. Okay, tap on the checkmark button to import the video. Alright, and we're gonna overlay this video with the previous video that we have saved to our device. Click on PIP, then I'm going to import this text video. Okay, then we can adjust the length. I'm going to cut it. Alright, and we're going to add animation to this text video. Tap on the text video, tap on animation, and there are several animation we can use for this video, but I'm gonna use swipe right. Okay, then you can adjust the duration. I'm going to select the longest duration, then click on the checkmark button. Then I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create particle dissolve text intro on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.